Hey everybody, welcome to my live. Roxanne is rocking, Rockin, and I am in the building today. Today is a wonderful Wednesday, and today I am going to show you all and tell you all about what is called a Chlorella Boost. Okay? So we're gonna go step by step. So let me just show you all the ingredients all the fruits or vegetables that I will be using. All right. And I'm going to tell you the benefits of this boost. However, so let me turn the camera around. Okay. I am going to be using 1 cucumber, around 4 stalks of celery. I'm going to be using 1 lemon, and I'm going to peel it, 1 green apple, I love ginger, so I use this much. You can use less if you want. It's up to you. I use cilantro and parsley, which equals to about a cup total. I use half a cup, or you can use cilantro, a cup of that, or a cup of parsley. Then I use 2 handfuls of spinach. What else do I use? Let me see. Oh, and then I use after I extract all of this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fruits and vegetables total. Then I use a half a teaspoon of this. You see this, guys? You see what it's called? Organic chlorella powder. A half of teaspoon. Don't use no more. And let me tell you something. Anytime you doing a juice or what have you, and you're on medication or whatever, always consult with your doctor. That's important, you know? So, like I said, you see all the fruits and vegetables I have. This is good for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start using my cold press machine, masticating machine, so I can start juicing this. Now, I tell you, it is very important when you're juicing. Oh, and by the way, I keep the skin on the cucumbers. I don't know if I told you guys that. Yeah. Now, I always feed the greens into my cold press first. The spinach, the parsley, cilantro, the cucumbers, the celery, and then I follow it by apple and the lemon and the ginger, because that's harder and it will push it down. That's why. So let me start using this. I have to peel this. Hold on 1 second. Let me turn it back around. No, I can leave it here. Hold on a moment. No, let me think you guys rather see me, right? Okay, so I'm going to peel the lemon. I don't use the skin on the lemon. Ooh, no. Everything has been washed off previously. I didn't want to take the time. You guys know how to wash off your fruits and vegetables, I'm quite sure. And also, I made, like with my apples and cucumbers and things like that, I put a little bit of vinegar and let it sit for about 30 seconds, 60 seconds. Wash it off good. You can use baking soda, So, I have peeled the lemon. I have to buy some more lemons. This is my last lemon. Oh no, guys, I gotta buy some more lemon. What am I to do? What is a woman to do? Yeah, I've been having so much fun celebrating my birthday. I want to give a shout out to all my family and friends. My goodness, I'm telling you, what a celebration. And I'm still celebrating, to be honest with you guys. Still celebrating. I haven't finished yet. So yeah, so there it is. I have to get these seeds out of here. Or what you can do is you can squeeze the lemon juice, but I like to use it in the machine, and get all of that stuff, extract all the juice out. Yeah, this is my last lemon. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me put that to the side. Lemon. So here's my apple corer, you see? Bing, 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 bing. apple coral. Let me just bring this down a little bit so you guys can see. Let me see, down a little bit. Maybe you can see, I don't know. Maybe you can see. Put this in the middle. Push it down. Bing. Turn it, twist it, pull it out. See? Take it out. There it goes. Woohoo! So you don't have to, then I just cut it in some pieces. You know? Yeah. So like I said, you put all the leafy things in there first. And then I'm going to take this and just simply cut it down the middle. You know, and just cut it into pieces so I can put it in my cold press. It don't have to be all neat. Let me show you guys. Oops, sorry. I'll just be cutting it, honey. It don't have to be all neat and fancy and stuff, you know? Now, let me see. I should just do this on a chopping board, but it's all good. Yeah. Right? And then, guys, give me 1 second. So I'm going to feed in my spinach, my parsley, my cilantro. So I try my best to get organic as much as I possibly could, you know, but sometimes, you know. So I'm going to feed this in here. Let me turn this around. Okay, I'm just guessing, okay? So, let me see something. Hold on a minute, guys. Let me see if I can put this up here. Oh, that's better. All right, so you can see it, kind of see it now. I'm just gonna feed this. I think that might be enough. See? I don't measure it like that. And then, let me take my feed that in there, right? Then I'll put some of this on top, right? Close that up, and I'll start it. I'll be right back. So now that the juice is done, there it is, with all the ingredients that I showed you all. I am not ready to drink this because I would drink it in the morning. So I did this so tomorrow morning I can drink it. But before I drink it, I'm going to add one half teaspoon of this Chlorella powder. Okay? You see the name of it? By Anthony's Organic Chlorella Powder, Broken Cell Wall, Non-GMO. Okay? 1/2 teaspoon. I'm telling you, like I told you before, if you know, I would say that check with your doctor before you do anything, right? So, let me just tell you the benefits of Chlorella. Okay, it boosts your immune system. It detoxes heavy metals. It lowers your cholesterol and blood sugar. That's why it's important for you to check with your doctors, especially when you're on medication, because you don't want your sugar to go low, right? Or your cholesterol to go too low. And it supports your heart health. It aids digestive and gut health. And it's packed with protein, vitamins, and antioxidants. Again, always check with your doctor before you use it. Okay? So this is it. This is that Chlorella Boost. It's good for you. Try it. Please comment, like. Don't forget to hit that like button. That's very important. Subscribe. Please tell your friends and your friends' friends and your family and your friends. And share the video because there's someone out there who can benefit. There's someone out there who can benefit. So again, a half a teaspoon of this. I'm not going to put it in yet. You put it in right before you drink it. You stir it up real good. So what I do is, you see this? I always use glass, okay? So I'm going to get a spoon and kind of like stir it up a little bit, right? And you can taste, I love cilantro. I love it. And lemon and ginger. Well, all of it. Okay, all of it. And you can actually, I can smell it. Oh gosh. So I'm going to just pour this in here. Probably make a little more because I used a little more than I would normally use. But that's okay. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to get another glass. And I can always drink this without adding the chlorella powder in there, you know? So, and I tell you another thing that's important. When you store in your juice, it's best that you fill it all the way up to the top so no air won't seep in. You know, so let me add a little more here. Because I can always sip a little bit before I add the chlorella powder. Okay? And then I can always drink this. I can drink this today. But when I add the chlorella powder, you know, I have to do that in the morning. So again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Roxanne is rocking. That's ROCKIN. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day, everyone.